Adam Issacson here with a tip of the day. This one is on sump pumps, facts, and maintenance. Here we're in the basement of a typical house in the Quad Cities. This is a typical sump pump. A sump pump is made to remove the groundwater that comes in through the foundation, underneath the foundation walls, and below the slab in the basement. It ejects that water out of the home to keep your basement nice and dry. So there's not a whole lot of maintenance required for a sump pump, but some very simple things to make sure your basement doesn't flood due to a sump pump failure. One thing is just a visual observation of it. Pull the lid off, look down into the pit. If there's any debris, rocks, sticks, kids' toys that fell down there, anything like that, just unplug it from the power outlet and literally reach down there and clean it out. That's very simple. The other thing that you can do is if you have a home that it has seasonal water, so in other words, in the middle of the summer it doesn't run, a good idea is to take a bucket of water, pour it in there until you hear the sump pump come on, go outside, make sure it's running well and discharging water. That way when you get into the rainy season or the snow melt that's going to then make your sump pump function, you know that it's working. It's very simple, very easy, and keeps your basement nice and dry.